Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to activate app drawer on Realme C67 device. Okay, by enabling the app drawer feature, can put our phone in another and more organized state. And then by hiding underused or offending apps, we can reduce the clutter on our phone screen and easily find our most frequently used applications. Okay, how do you do? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, please long press on any screen on your device. Okay, and then here we can select Home Settings option. Well, after that in this section, you can tap on the home screen mode. And then here will appear two options between standard mode and drawer mode. Okay, and then you can select drawer mode. Well, and then now let's check it. Okay, and then the app drawer on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate app drawer on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.